Today we're gonna make these delicious Greek marinated mushrooms. Look at that. To get started on making our marinated mushrooms, we're gonna start by cooking our mushrooms. So I'm gonna put high heat here, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're gonna marinate our mushrooms first. So we have about a pound of button mushrooms that I've cleaned. And we're gonna saute them in the olive oil. So our mushrooms have cooked, they look beautiful, nice and brown. And we're gonna put them here in this dish to cool. And we'll go make our marinade. While our mushrooms are cooling, we're gonna make the marinade. So we have here, we're gonna do 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And then we're gonna do lemon. So we'll do juice from 2 lemons. Perfect. And now all of our spices. So we're gonna add garlic. A teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, some red pepper flakes for a little bit of spice there. Whisk this together, and this is our marinade. Perfect. Now I'm gonna just chop a little bit parsley here because we're gonna add this on top of our mushrooms. And then I also have some fresh thyme. So that's ready to go. And now we'll go get our mushrooms. So after you cook your mushrooms, it's about 7 minutes sauteing it on the stovetop. You're gonna put them in a bowl for them to cool. You are gonna see that there's water that releases from the mushrooms. So make sure you drain that before you add the marinade on top. So these mushrooms have cooled. We have our marinade that we've made. And we're gonna pour that on top of our mushrooms. Oh my God, look at that. They look delicious. You could smell the olive oil, the vinegar, and then we're just gonna top it with some fresh parsley and some fresh thyme. I'm just gonna leave these little sprigs on there so it looks so pretty. Look at that. These Greek marinated mushrooms were a staple in my house growing up, so you can make them and serve them just like this, or stick them in a jar, put them in the refrigerator, and you could serve them when you're having dinner. For this full recipe and tons of others, visit my website at nikkigleckis.com.